Welcome to Module 2, Mastering Color and Light. These two elements have the biggest emotional impact on your interior design. Now that you're clear on the purpose and mood of your room, we can talk about color and light and how they define the atmosphere. A simple and effective way to approach color is by using the 6-0-3-0-1-0 rule for balance and harmony. 60% of your room is your main color. This is typically applied to your walls or other large surfaces. 30% is the secondary color, often found in key pieces like furniture, curtains, or rugs. And 10% is the accent color, which can be introduced through cushions, artwork, or other accessories. This 6-0-3-0-1-0 ratio creates balance and prevents the room from feeling chaotic or visually overwhelming. For beginners, starting with neutral colors as your base is highly recommended. Neutral bases are flexible, timeless, and generally easier to live with for the long term. You can always add personality and flair through those smaller 10% accent colors without committing to bold choices everywhere. Now let's talk about the impact of light, starting with natural light. Remember that color doesn't exist on its own. It is always affected by light. Natural light changes throughout the day. Morning light is cooler, while afternoon light is warmer, dramatically changing how your colors look. Artificial lighting is just as important in defining the mood of your room. Warm lighting creates a cozy, relaxing feel, perfect for a bedroom or living space. On the flip side, cool lighting feels fresher and more energizing, great for a workspace or kitchen. Most rooms benefit from layered lighting, rather than relying on just one ceiling light. Think about ambient lighting for general illumination, task lighting for activities, and accent lighting for atmosphere. Here is your action step to apply what you've learned to your own room. First, choose a base color that directly supports the mood you defined in the previous module. Next, observe how that color looks under natural light, in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Then, think about what type of artificial lighting will best enhance that feeling. In the next video, we'll shift our focus to furniture layout, because even the best colors won't work if the room doesn't function properly. Ready to begin? Click the link below to start.